first, and then yeah, I will have a take a rest first, and then I don't know. Okay, so it is now 5 o'clock. Okay, me and John, we are now going to have a breakfast. I got this pancake. This made by the pancake machine. Hash brown, mushroom, bacon, egg, scrambled egg, and sausage. I am expecting this mushroom to be bland. Yeah, because you know most of the restaurant they are not cooking the mushroom properly.
Toasted bread.
Hindi. Okay, we just finished the breakfast. Was good. Yeah, the usual breakfast things that you see in the most restaurant. We have the same. Actually, we have more. Yeah, we have more choices than that.
Parang mga winery. Pero chef.
Just get down from the TT. We actually come here because of this barber shop, and it's inside there. But it's actually office of the Congress, and already there are 4 people or 3 waiting for their queue. And now we're going to another barber shop. Yeah, that driver is expressive. He express what he don't like. You know, when I first came here in Canberra, there was no train. It doesn't exist, but construction wasn't going already before. I'm not sure if that is connected to the train that is coming from Sydney. Maybe not. And because it's red, we go. Most of the offices building here are government building. There are many of these around the city. You can use them to travel around. Yo, nice haircut for me. It makes me feel like yeah, I need to go back to the barber shop and not just cutting it by myself, because it looks and feels different. Also John's haircut, see. Nice. Oh, that Didi, a driver a while ago, he said that, no, like what I said, he's expressing what he doesn't like. So basically when we get in, the driver said, can you sit at the back? So we sit at the back. And then the second time is, can I just drop you on the other side?
Ayan na, sige. Sige na. Birahin mo. I-video mo.
Ha?
Oh, yan na. Sige.
Hindi naman ako dito.
Saan ka ba? Ito yung Brasi Hotel ah. Ha? Brasi Hotel ka, di ba?
Yo, we are now here in my hotel, here in Brasi Hotel. Yeah, I showed it to you yesterday. It's really beautiful. And you know, basically the driver dropped us on the other side of this building, and I was really confused. Oh, it's not here. And we stayed there for around maybe 5 minutes. Yeah, finding out if it is the really hotel or the one. Yeah, and then we get inside, and there is the reception, and that reception actually is the spa reception. And they told us to come to the other side, and that is when we realized that this is actually the hotel. Tara! Okay, we are checked out already. The lady said, have a lovely day. And we are waiting for the DD driver. Will be coming in 3 minutes. So I basically booked this hotel yesterday when I arrived, but didn't sleep here last night. It's $122 a night. Now we check the clubhouse of the hotel. The wedding setup is ready down there.
Come on over, guys.
Video first, video. Knock, look at me, look at me.
Feeling cold.
Feeling cold.
Hi.
Yo, so we are here in Canberra in Hyatt Hotel. Today's the wedding of John. Oh, they're calling me now. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Good
See you
night.
tomorrow. Good night.
See you tomorrow.
Okay, so yeah, this is the room that where we sleep last night with John. Anyway, with Ronald. Yo, good morning, guys. Yeah, this is the second day in this hotel room. Ronald is sleeping still. And yeah, we are now ready to go for breakfast with John, Charlene, and yeah, Ronald.
Good morning, everyone. Today is the day that we are tired. Very, very exciting. Yesterday was John's wedding, and today we're gonna have a boodle fight. Breakfast boodle fight. Housekeeping.
And this is the suite of John and Charlene. Okay, we are in the same buffet restaurant like yesterday. We are back here and yeah, we're going to send Ronald to the airport.
Yeah, Ronnie will go to the airport, Canberra airport now.
Ay, susi!
Naiwan.
Hindi, hiram na lang kayo sa escaping.
Naiwan. Pagkatunog sa akin ng alala.
Regards mo po kay Ken, tsaka kay Baby Rose. Baby Rose.
So, congrats ulit. Welcome to the family.
Ingat ha, ingat sa biyahe. Okay, kay Rocky.
Yeah, this is the Canberra airport. here in this hotel room. I actually forgot the key. Yeah, the key is here. Good thing I went to the reception and asked for extra one. And now I am going to check out. I mean, I am going to the room of John and Charlene. And we'll be staying there until 12 o'clock. And then I'm going back to Newcastle. That's it, ready to go. So Hotel Canberra was built in 1924. And we are here in the house of friend of John and Sherlyn. Yeah, you notice those red color trees? Yeah, they are on the other side. And in this side, you notice that all of them doesn't have leaves anymore. Yeah, this is the transition from autumn to winter. You know, there are some parts here in Canberra that looks new, looks modern, and there are also some parts that looks like the old one. Yeah, this one is one of those new looking. Yeah, look at this. It's starting to get dry, but it's beautiful when you are a little far away. In the coming days, in the coming months, it's going to be empty, no leaves. They're not good looking anymore. Charlene brought us here. We're going to have a breakfast, lunch. And it's beautiful here. Waterfront. I don't know the name of the place. Anong pangalan ito?
Kingston Foreshore.
This is Kingston Foreshore. Yeah, in the coming days it's going to be like this.
This outside.
Inside, outside?
Inside, outside.
Outside.
Yeah, you can outside.
Saan tayo? Kasi mainit ang Oh, thank you. Sure. It's a foreign for what is my friend just gave this to me.
Thank you.
It's beautiful. Yeah, blends in with the nature here. Yeah, it's autumn. Thank you. Lovely. Have a good day.
Jen and Charlene, they are going back to their house, and I am now heading to the airport.